How to change phone number on PayPal without logging in. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First thing what you have to do is head over to your PayPal application or your PayPal web. Then here go to login section. Simply add your email, your password, and if you have forgotten your password, tap on forgot password. And if you have forgotten your email also, simply tap on forgotten email. But the thing is, you cannot change your phone number on PayPal without logging in. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.